Everybody, my name is Chris Hill and I'm here to tell you about my 2-day seminar that I'm running in London. Holiday Inn, 17th and 18th of March. I promise you it's going to be a life changer. Now, if you haven't heard of me before, you may have already heard of my best-selling book, Get Your Life Back, The Road to Freedom from Addiction. Okay, if you haven't bought that on Amazon, then you may have been onto my website, beatmyaddictions.com, and there you would have been able to download this document for free. This is my 7-day beat addiction plan. But even with this information, some people need a little bit more, and this is why we run workshops and seminars. But what we've been doing, I've been taking people away on a retreat over in Hartford, and we've been taking 8 people away and spending the weekend with them, teaching them this plan and helping them fill out, what we call the program guide. And then all of a sudden we set them off on their, what we call a 7 to 10 day withdrawal. Now, because this has been so successful, what I want to do, instead of just helping 8 people, I want to help 200. And I want you to be one of these 200 people. Because on the 17th and 18th of March, we're going to change 200 people's lives. And as I say, you can overcome whether it be smoking, drinking, recreational drugs. Even if you're suffering with anxiety and stress, you may have some be overeating, you may want to lose some weight, you may even want to exercise, you may even want to just get out of a relationship. See, all of these things are affecting us, aren't they? They're affecting us on an emotional level, be it through thoughts, feelings. We just don't feel good. We're unhappy. What I teach is happiness. I teach how can you find that inner happiness inside of us? How can you create something that's going to make you feel good? Now, the only problem is, yes, we want to feel good. And, when we eat chocolate or drink, caffeine or, coffee or something like that, we get a feel-good feeling, don't we? But it's very short-lived. It's a bit like smoking cigarettes. Within an hour, you need another cigarette. Have a glass of wine, you need another glass of wine. See, what we're dealing with is addiction. Whether it's, some sort of physical addiction or it's a mental addiction, the mind has wired to some of these things that we're doing. So what we've done, we've created this. This is our Beat Addiction workshop and program guide. This is what we use when we deal with people on a one-to-one basis. But we're not dealing with people on a one-to-one. We want to deal with people on a mass scale. And you are the first people to actually get this. So please, on the 17th and 18th of March, come and join us for a life-changing 2-day seminar where we take you on a journey. It's not just an instruction manual anymore. We're going to take you on a journey over 2 days that's going to bring you out to making some real life-changing decisions, and then we're going to support you through the next 10 days as you go through that change. Okay, so if you want part of this, just listen to some of the testimonials, go onto my website, look at me on Facebook. Okay, people are changing their lives every single day. It's now time for you. This is your time. This is your window of opportunity. Please don't let this go. These windows of opportunities, they don't come up that often, and if you let this one go, it could be 6 weeks, 6 months, maybe even 6 years before you pick this up again, okay? I want you to get the solution now, because when you get the solution, you can go on and help someone else, be it a family member, a friend, a work colleague. So this is me, Chris Hill. Come and find us, press this button. In fact, don't delay on doing this, because what will happen, you'll go away and your mind will procrastinate. It will say that you don't have problems and that you're doing good. So that's me, Chris Hill, and I'll see you on the 17th and 18th of March. See you really soon.